video, we're going to check out the original Novation circuit again. We're going to check out pretty much the same thing as we did last time, except we're going to turn off quantization and we're going to use the pattern chaining. So this is going to change up a lot of things. So first off, we're in pattern view. I already have a hi-hat set just so we can hear a little bit of timing, but we're just going to be playing everything out of time. It might get pretty chaotic. We'll see how it turns out. So I just made some synth sounds over here, but we're going to keep it silent for now. We're just going to play around with rhythm. And if we have shift, then we make sure that record is unlit. That means it's going to be unquantized. So now it's going to allow for a lot of more offbeat notes. And we're not even listening to a metronome right now, so we're just going to start putting in. All right, so that's playing in. Let's go shift drum 2. I have no idea what the lengths of these patterns are at all, because I was doing this kind of randomly. So it sounds a little random, as we said. Let's do drum 3. Drum 4. So now let's go into patterns and let's play them out of order here. Weird beats come out of this. You have no idea what's going to happen next. Let's just chain those. Alright, so let's just start playing the synth parts in. So we're in a new session, and I just chained all of the patterns. So again, play. We're going to play around with the length. It can be kind of short if you want. Okay. If shift in patterns is lit up, we can chain the patterns. So if I just press this, we'll see the lights add up on here. We're in page 2 now. You can press kind of randomly multiple times for some, one for another. And now we have no idea what's going to happen. So we're going to do the same thing, shift, and just going to dial in just random, seemingly random patterns here. All right, so now shift drum 1, and we're just going to play, and we're not going to know what's going to happen. And it's probably going to be pretty crazy because we have quantize off, shift and record is off. No idea what's happening here. Let's add some snare. Let's add some hi-hat. So this is like pretty generative. So now we just have some kind of semi-generative drums playing. Let's turn up the swing a little. Weird. Turn up the tempo. Let's add some claps or something here. I don't know when it's going to play it again. Wow, this is crazy. Let's bring it back to 50. Bring maybe the tempo down. Yeah, it almost feels like it's generative. I can also just reset all the patterns again just by just shifting them in, or just starting with one pattern here and then just shift playing them in. And then this, the same thing. Let's go back and shift drum. Here, let's just do something else. Yeah, let's do something like that. Turn up the distortion a little. Turn down the decay. Pitch. Just record stuff in. Turn down the decay. Turn down the pitch a little. Turn up distortion. We're in the hi-hats area, so play around with that. Turn up the decay a little. Turn up the pitch. You can also record the pitch. Let's record the pitch a bit. One way you can really do some crazy stuff if you get a little tired of doing standard beats.